The world is unfair. People lie, cheat, exploit, and often succeed because of it. So here's the question. How do you stay just in a world that rewards injustice? The Stoics believe justice is not about courts or punishment. It's about how you live, how you treat others, and how you treat yourself, especially when no one is watching. Today, we'll explore 5 Stoic quotes about justice and how to apply them to modern life, work, society, social media, and personal decisions. This is not philosophy for reading. This is philosophy for living. What is not good for the beehive cannot be good for the bee. Marcus Aurelius reminds us of a simple truth. You are not separate from society. In modern life, injustice often looks like cheating at work, exploiting loopholes, lying for personal advantage, ignoring harm as long as it doesn't affect you. But Stoicism says, if your success damages the group, it will eventually damage you too. Think of corruption that ruins institutions, dishonesty that destroys trust, selfishness that weakens communities. Justice means asking, does this action strengthen the whole, or only my ego? A Stoic chooses long-term harmony over short-term gain. He who does wrong does not wrong another so much as himself. Modern society tells us, if you win, it doesn't matter how. Stoicism strongly disagrees. When you act unjustly, you train yourself to lie, you weaken your moral discipline, you become someone you cannot respect. Even if no one catches you, you are still there, watching yourself. Stoics believe the greatest punishment is becoming a worse person. Justice protects your inner peace. Injustice slowly destroys it. If it is not right, do not do it. If it is not true, do not say it. This quote is more relevant today than ever. In the age of social media outrage, fake news, online humiliation, half-truths and manipulation, justice starts with restraint. Before speaking or sharing, ask, is it true? Is it fair? Is it necessary? Stoics believe silence is better than injustice disguised as opinion. Not every thought deserves a voice. Not every truth needs cruelty. How long are you going to wait before you demand the best for yourself? Justice is not only outward, it is also self-respect. Living unjustly toward yourself looks like accepting constant disrespect, staying silent out of fear, betraying your values to please others. Stoicism teaches balance. Do not dominate others. Do not allow yourself to be crushed. Justice means setting boundaries without hatred, strength without arrogance. A Stoic stands upright, calm, firm, dignified.